Hey boys, I just want to say before the video starts that if you're new to the channel and you're unsubscribed, then please subscribe. We're 2 subscribers away from 100. It'd be great if you did. You don't have to, I'm not forcing you, but you know, it'd be great. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Hope you enjoy the video. Alright boys.
Oh my god.
Where are the naked people at? Fuck you, kid.
I don't remember the location of that.
Oh.
Aiden, shoot us right.
In our favourite clean backs
Didn't run out for it.
Damn it.
Rowan, jump on.
I need a lift.
Hey, Pat, did run out for it?
Yeah, it's pretty
Oh
cool.
yeah.
Oh, do you just want to dance? Here you go. Where's it?
Sacrifice.
Screw your cops, I'm getting
Yeah,
my
we
car.
right.
Rowan!
No.
Oh.
What the fuck?
I'm keeping this car.
What?
No one can reach it.
Jump on, scooter brother. Can't even hack me anyway, because you know we're teammates. Oh! See, it's an absolute pussy slayer, just saying. Oh yes, me and Rowan have the same like idea, but he has a better car. I could have called that in, but do the noodle car. Do the noodle car. He's just getting chased by the whole police force.
Come on! I didn't even hit you! I didn't even mean to hit you! Fuck off, you arse
They're just both getting chased by the fucking police force.
I'm coming back.
What did I do? Do the noodle car. Do the noodle car.
Amazing car, you can't have it.
Why? Why?
Don't allow great cars.
You just please. Oh, never mind. I'm good. Ha, Aiden fought. You dick!
What did you do?
Dick!
I was supposed to break that. And he died.
Rowan, come pick me up. Hit Aiden on the way because it'll be funny.
Okay. Where did he go? Oh, what?
Yo,
Alright.
wait. Hey, look my dance.
Oh yeah. Wait, Rowan, stop for a second. Oh no! Wait, Rowan jumped out! Oh, that's a car!
A dog. That's a little dog.
Oh, these cops are bad, these cops are bad, these cops are bad. They're missing all the shots, kid. You're trash, kid. You're trash. Oh! Get beat.
Careful in this room.
Oh, you're bad, kid. You're bad, kid. Oh, you're missing all your shots. You're missing all your shots. Oh, man, you're bad. I can nail you right now, mate. You're what?
I'm a no.
Oh my god.
Bro, these cops are trash, dude. They're missing all the shots, man. Come on, they're ass. Bro, they're so bad. Like, they're missing all your shots, kid. Never mind.
I'm just putting on this. Oh, fuck.
Okay. Let's go.
Still in the shop.
See ya, shop.
Oh, what the fuck? Right, I'm here.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
Don't let that peasant in. Follow me. Alright, boys. Follow me to the epic car
I see it.
that Jurassic Park has ever seen.
I don't
Yes, boys.
Is it Jurassic Park one? That scream?
Oh my god, okay.
Yes, sir. Out of my way. Why?
Yeah, I'll come over.
Who has cops? Rowan, they have cops.
Oh, how do I have cops?
How do I have
What the
cops?
fuck? Exactly, they won't get us cops.
I don't have them.
Alright, boys. Let's roll out. Ew.
Fuck.
Ha, the stupid cops think they'll lose us.
Is he trying to blow up?
Kill it.
Oh, dog.
Come here, little.
No! Get out of here! Get out of here too!
I done nothing.
Whoa! Holy sh!
I don't know what happened.
Ah, no! Come on, man. We can figure something out, man. Ah!
Oh
Okay.
my god, Joe, why don't you?
Okay. That's the power, Rowan. That's the power.
Why did they that? Why did they not? He's humping too much. What the fuck?
Are you playing the little gang character here so I can
My god. Bitch, stop looking at us.
I just ran over a puppy.
What is Rowan?
I have.
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Do a flip! Mimi!
Very sneaky.
Okay, Rowan, I'm going in very sneaky. Hello, guys! Wait, hold on.
Right. Activate the
Okay, done, bro.
What's up, guys? I'm very sneaky. How you guys doing? Okay, boys. 3, 2, 1.